Hi, I'm Michelle Nagel. When I first joined Quantum Leap in March of 2015, I had no idea what kind of a ride I was in for. I had signed up after finishing Train the Trainer with Jack Canfield, and I had all these wonderful skills that I'd learned from Jack, but I didn't know what I was going to do with them because I didn't know how to market myself. And I remember Jack asking regularly the question, what would be your quantum leap? Well, I had been following Steve Harrison for about 15 years, so I knew that Quantum Leap and Steve Harrison were synonymous. And I knew that it was something I really wanted to do. But I didn't feel that I had the ability to do so until I realized that if I were to go to college and take a marketing course, I would have to take a whole bunch of classes that I didn't need or want. And it would cost me about as much or more than the Quantum Leap program. So I chose the Quantum Leap program because it gives me everything that I want. Everything in the program is applicable to me, to what it is that I want to do in order to make these quantum leaps and hops. Well, immediately after signing up, or in June actually, of 2015, I had gone to finish up my Train the Trainer, and while I was there, I received the impression that I needed to go see a doctor. So I went to see the doctor, and in an absolute whirlwind of events, I ended up having an exploratory surgery with a biopsy. I was recovering from the exploratory surgery, and the doctor said she thought everything looked okay and that would be fine. So then I went to Quantum Leap. As I got off the plane in Philadelphia, I looked at my phone and saw that I had a phone call from my doctor. I called my doctor back and she told me that I had cancer. That was a very difficult moment for me, as you can imagine. I went to the Quantum Leap meeting and everybody there was very, very supportive and very kind and very loving. And for that, I'm very grateful. So I came home and I had to have surgery to have the cancer removed. And after the surgery, I had some real serious adverse reactions to the medications that they put me on, and then I got a terrible infection, and I was lying on the couch going, how am I going to teach anybody anything? I can't even move. And I realized then that I had come so close to dying, and that I didn't want to die with my song unsung. So I knew that I needed to write a book. And for me, I write fantasy all the time, but I didn't think I could write a nonfiction book. But with all of the support from everybody at Quantum Leap, here's my book. Less than 1 year after my diagnosis with cancer, I have this amazing book that has, so far, it's a number 24 on the bestsellers list. And I know how to get it to bestseller rank because of Quantum Leap. I could not have done better had I gone to college. And I am so grateful for Steve and Martha and Jeffrey and all of the wonderful people that I have worked with in Quantum Leap. Thank you very, very much.